We will move forward to another major event, which is the Grand Tribal Competition. And this afternoon, joining us is the chairman of the Grand Tribal Competition, no other than SP Joestar Bandoco.
Afternoon to each and everyone, to the media partner, and of course sa mga vloggers na mayang hapon. So, ako, chairman ng Grand Tribal Competition, no? Lalay naman po ako. Joestar Bandoco. Almost pila pa ko years in the chairmanship, no? Sa tribal competition, Grand Tribal. So we have 7 tribes, no? And namely, may udigo din ba sa Balhaw, Barangay Tagok ng tribe number 1, Barangay Iniquel, tribe number 2, Barangay 3, ang tribe number 3, Barangay 4, tribe number 4, Barangay 1, tribe number 5, Barangay Inapoy, tribe number 6, Barangay Urong, and tribe number 7, Barangay 8. So, ang event ini ang siyang pinakadako nga event sa 49th Sinulog Festival na ito, because doon nyo makita ang pinaka-highlights, no? Merrymaking, street dancing, ang may napag-start after the mass. So, pagkatapos ng misa, then street dancing, merrymaking na siya. Pagka 1 o'clock or mga 1:30 or 2 o'clock, mabigyan naman ang aton arena competition. So, dira namin makita nato ang different barangay represent, no? Sa aton nga, halimbawa, may kapistahan sa ilang na-include na nila during sa ilang choreography nila, no? Sa mga competition para ma-expose man, of course, ang mga kapistahan sa ilang barangay. So, thank you so much. Next Grand Tribal Competition, this coming January 19, 2025. So, Viva! Senyor Centennial! Viva!